for capacitors. For capacitors. This is a capacitor. It is connected to infinity. It is connected to up to infinity. Up to infinity. Up to infinity. Up to infinity. Okay. This is a point. This is a B point. Now, so we have to find out CAB is equal to question mark. CAB is equal to question mark. CAB is equal to question mark. Now, how can you find out this one? Let's find out for this one. How can you find out? So already I told you very clearly. So you take this is a this is a one part. Remaining this part taken as this is a this part is taken as C dash. This entire part from here to infinity. This system is taken as C dash. This system is taken as this part. This part again. I'm going to draw this part. This is a capacitor, identical capacitor. All are identical capacitor. This is A point. This is a B point. Now this total system is considered as single capacitor. That single capacitor is connected to parallel to this system. Parallel to this system. This entire system taken as C dash capacitor. This C dash capacitor is connected to this system. This C dash is connected to parallel to this system. This is all are identical capacitor. Identical capacitor. Now these two are in parallel connection. Two are in parallel connection. Parallel connection. So what is a parallel connection? CP is equal to C1 plus C2. So what is the C1 value? C. C2 value is C dash. C dash. This is the CP value. Now circuit. This is A point. One capacitor. These two capacitors are combined from a single capacitor, that is that value, and this is a B value. This is a C value. C value. This is a value is C plus C dash. C plus C dash value. That is a one answer. Now we are going to simplify that one. How can we be going to simplify that one? You see. So what is the circuit? This is a C. This is a this capacitor is C. This is a C plus C dash. This is a C capacitor. C capacitor. Now this is A terminal. This is a B terminal. B terminal. This all capacitors are in series. All three capacitors are in a series. 1, 2, 3. Three capacitors are in a series connection. This is a series connection. Series connection. So what is the formula? C dash. I'm taking. So this is a C series. C series connection is equal. I'm checking how many capacitors? 1, 2, 3. Three capacitors are connected in series combination. I'm taking 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. I'm taking 1 by CS. This CS I'm taking. CS I'm taking. This is a C dash. I'm taking C dash. CS I'm taking C dash. 1 by C dash is equal to 1 by C1. C1 value is I'm taking C. C2 value is taken as 1 by C plus C dash plus C3 value is taken as 1 by C1. This is a value square. Now this is a 1 by C dash. Take LCM. C plus C take LCM. C plus C dash into C take LCM. Take LCM. C into C cancel each other. C plus C dash into 1. C plus C dash. C plus C dash cancel each other. This is a C. C into 1, C plus C into C cancel each other. C plus C dash into 1 means C plus C dash. That is a value. Now next 1 by C dash is equal to C plus C dash, C plus C plus C dash, C plus C dash. 2 into C plus C dash. That is C, 3C plus C dash, 2 C dash by, so what is the value? C into C plus C dash, this is the value. That is the value. Now we have to do cross multiplication. There are C dash 3C plus 2C dash is equal to C into C plus C dash. That is the cross multiplication. C dash into 3C. 3 into C dash plus C dash into 2C dash. 2 into C dash square is equal to C into C square plus C into C into C dash. C into C dash. This value taking this side, what of that? 2C dash square plus 3C dash. This value take this side, minus C square minus C dash is equal to 0. 0 value. Now this is you will see. Yes, this is a 2C dash square plus this is a 3C dash minus C dash. What is the value? This is a 2C dash minus C square is equal to 0. This is equation. This equation is compared to the quadratic equation. X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a means, so what is the a value is equal to 2, b value is equal to 2c, c value is equal to minus c square. I want to find out c dash roots. I'm finding c dash roots. C dash roots is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac formula by 2a formula. 2a. C dash is equal to minus b means minus 2c plus or minus root of b squared. B squared means 4c squared. Okay. B squared means 2c whole square minus 4. A means 2. C means minus c square by 2 into a means 2. This is our value. This is our value. Next, c dash is equal to minus 2c plus or minus root of 2c square means 4c square minus into minus plus 4 into 2 8 c square by 2 into 2 4. Next, c dash is equal to minus 2c plus or minus, this is what is the value? 4c square plus 8c square, that is the value is 12c square by 4. 12c square by 4, that is the value. That is the value. Now, that's value. What we are going to do, that is the value. C dash is equal to minus 2c plus or minus root of 12. 12c square means 12. I am going to write it c square. That is 4 into 3 c square. Root means this is 2 square. This is root 3. This is c square. I am going to write 2 square and root cancel. That is 2c root 3. We are going to write this entered value. I'm going to write 2c 2 root 3 c by, what is the value? 4. I'm going to write c dash is equal to minus 2c plus 2 root 3 c by 4. One value. This is one value. The next another value is c dash is equal to minus 2c minus 2 root 3 c by 4. This is one value. We have two values. Now in this value, c dash is equal to and 2c common. 2c common means 2c take out 2c take out root 3 minus 1 by 4. This is the 1 by 2 ones to 2 cancel. 2 1 cancel. P dash is equal to c root 3 minus 1 by 2. One answer. Remaining answer is this is a c dash is equal to 2c common. 2c common minus 2c common and plus 1 plus root 3 by 4. This is 1 to cancel. That is a c dash is equal to minus c 1 plus root 3 by 2. This is your answer. This is a final your answer. Final your answer. That is your answer. This is very, very, very important. Okay. Oh, this is all. Next model. Next model. This is a but this is a very, very, very important model. Okay. Now next. Next question. This is a one capacitor, second capacitor, third capacitor, fourth capacitor, S1 input. And this is a one more capacitor. This is a capacitor up to infinity, up to infinity, up to infinity. Now this is connected to, this is connected, this is A point, this is a B point. This is all are identical capacitor, but this is a 2C and 2C and 2C and 2C and 2C. This is we are going to find. This is we are going to find out. This is a one type of model. One type of model. This is a one type of model. One type of model. So very, very important. Okay. Okay. So you see more, keep in your mind, this one take, this is one capacitor, this is another capacitor. In the second one, this is one capacitor, this is second capacitor, this is one part. This is the same part. Same part repeated up to infinity, up to infinity. So first part, you see that this part, one capacitor, this is another capacitor. Same type of systems are repeated up to infinity. This part, this entire part, I'm taking, this is a C dash value. C dash value. This is a C capacitor, this is a 2C capacitor, this is A point, this is a B point. This is a C, this is a 2C. This entire part is taken as one capacitor, that value is C dash. That value is C dash. This is a AB. This is a AB. This is a two are in series connection. Two are in parallel connection. Two are in parallel connection. So what is a parallel connection formula? C parallel is equal to C1 plus C2. So what is the C1 value? 2C. What is the C2 value? C dash. This is a CP value. Now going to draw the diagram. This is C. These two are combined each other means there is a single capacitor. The value is A point, B point. This value is 2C plus C dash. 2C plus C dash. Now two capacitors in a series connection. Two capacitors in a series connection. Now we are going to draw what we have to do. Both are in series connection. Both are in series connection. So what is a series connection formula? Two capacitors. C dash is equal to C1 into C2 by C1 plus C2. This is connection. C dash is equal to C1 means what is a C1? C and 2C means 2C plus C dash by C1 means C plus C2 means 2C plus C dash. This is a one. This is C dash value I'm taking. This is series connection. Series connection. Series connection. The series connection value I'm taking C dash. Keep in mind, this is very, very, very important. C dash is equal to C into 2C plus C dash by C plus 2C plus C dash. Take cross multiplication. Do the cross multiplication. Do the cross multiplication. So what will happen? C dash into C plus 2C plus C dash is equal to, okay, C into 2C plus C dash. C dash into C dash C plus C plus 2C into C dash, 2C C dash plus C dash into C dash square is equal to C into 2C square plus C into C dash C. That is the value. This value take this side. What will happen? This is a C dash C. This is a 2C dash C. What we have to write? 3C dash C. This is a C dash square. This is a 2C square plus C dash C. Value take this side. C dash square plus 3C dash C. This is a minus C dash C minus 2C square is equal to 0. That is a 0. Okay. Now this is equation C dash square plus this is a 3C dash C minus C dash C plus 3C dash C minus C dash C. What is the value? 2C dash C minus 2C square is equal to 0. So this equation compared to the coordinate equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A value is, what is the A value? 1. So B value is, what is the B value? B value we are checking, B value is we are checking 2C value. C value we are checking, C is equal to minus 2C square, minus 2C square. I want the C dash roots. C dash roots is equal to minus p plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac, b squared minus 4ac by 2a. C dash is equal to minus b means what is the value? Minus 2c plus or minus root of b means what is the value? 2c whole squared minus 4. A means 1. C means minus 2c squared by 2a. A means 1 value. C dash is equal to minus 2c plus or minus root of 2c whole square means 4c square minus into minus plus 4 into 2 means 8c square. C square, this is 2 into 1, 2 minus 2c plus or minus root of 4c square, 8c square means 12c square by 2. C dash is equal to minus 2c plus or minus, this is we're going to write 4 into 3 into c square, we're going to write by 2. C dash is equal to, we're going to write minus 2c plus or minus, this is 4 means that is a 2 value. 3 means root 3. C square means c value by 2. C dash is equal to 2 take the common minus c plus or minus root 3c by 2. 2 cancel each other. C dash value is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root 3c. This is your answer. That is your answer. That is your answer. We are going to solve this problem. That is a way we are going to solve the problems. Okay. So this is way more. We're going to solve the problems. This is A terminal, B terminal. This is A terminal, B terminal. A point, B point. This is a value is C dash is equal to minus B means what is a B value? 2C plus or minus root of B square means 2C squared minus 4. A means 1 minus 2C squared. 2C squared by 2A. 2A, this is our answer. This is a very, very important model. Okay. So next problem. Next problem. Okay, I'm going to explain next model. Okay, thank you. Next problem. Next problem. This is a given problem. A point, B point, B point. So what is the CAB? CAB value, question mark. CAB value, question mark. This is the value is 2C. This is C value. This is also C value. This is 2C. 2C value. This is a given circuit. Given circuit. Let's find out answer for this. In the circuit mark, when we are going to find out CAB is equal to question mark, CAB we have to find out. So we call this is a C total or C equivalent, or we call CAB, CAB or same. Now we are going to calculate this type of questions. So we will stand ending of the circuit. We will stand. This is a starting circuit. This is ending circuit. We are standing ending the circuit. This is a two are in. These two capacitors are in series connection. Series connection. Or in series connection. Okay. So first, how can you find out? How can next? I'm going to draw this circuit. I'm going to draw the circuit. These two are in series connection. These two are in series connection. So what is the formula series connection for that one? For that one is series connection formula is C total is equal C series is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C. That is the formula. C1 means 2C, C2 means 2C by C1 plus C. This is a 2 into 2, 4, C into C by 2C plus 2C is equal to 4C. C cancel, 4 cancel. Now your answer is C. Series connection is C. This is A terminal, this is a C capacitor, this is A point, this is a B point, capacitor is C. This capacitor is 2C, this capacitor value is C. Now these two capacitors are connected series, that value is C. That value is C. I'm checking like this. Now again I'm standing in ending of the circuit. These two capacitors are connected parallel connection. Two are in parallel connection. So parallel connection means, so what is the formula? Parallel means C1 plus C2. C1 value is C, C2 value is C, total value is EP value is 2C. Now again I'm going to draw the circuit. A, B terminal, A terminal, B terminal. This is a C capacitor, and this is a 2C capacitor. These two are combined form a single capacitor. So one end is connected to at this point. This is second end is connected to this capacitor. Now I'm connected. Now in this circuit, these two are in, what is the value of this one? These two are in connected to. These two are in series connection. Again, this is a series connection. So what is a CS is equal to same 2C, same value is what is a C series is equal to these two are in series. What is the value? That is a C value. Again, I am going to draw the circuit. This is a point. This is a B point. This C value. These two are combined to form a single capacitor. That value is C. One end is connected to here. Second end is connected to here. Okay, I'm connecting here. Two capacitors are in a parallel connection. Again, these two are in a parallel connection. Parallel connection formula is equal to CP is equal to C1 plus C2. C1 value is C. C2 value is C. So what is the total value? 2C. This is a CP value. That means that is equal to CAB value is 2C. Your answer. This is your answer. Now it is. The problem is over. Now circuit is closed. Now how I am telling this is a series connection. These two capacitors are series. How I am telling? These two capacitors are parallel. How I am telling? These two capacitors are in a series. These two capacitors are in a parallel. How we are going to decide the two capacitors are series, two capacitors are parallel means charge division and voltage division. Voltage is divided means series connection. Charge is divided means capacitors are connected in voltage can be divided means voltage is different for the capacitors means the capacitors are connected series. Charges are different for the capacitors means charges are connected parallel. Keep it on one, that is very important. Now this is AB. This AB is connected to battery. It is connected to cell. Now this is a charge Q. This Q is entering into. This Q can be divided into. This Q is enter at this point. This is a Q1. This is a Q2. This is a Q3 charge. Q2 charge. Q is this is a total charge. Total charge entering into the junction point that can be divided into Q1 charge, Q2 charge, Q3 charge. Q1 charge Q1 charge is same for this capacitor and this capacitor. Charge is same for the two capacitors means series connection. Series connection. It's over. Series connection. Now the circuit is modified like this. Now again we have the circuit. These two are in parallel connection. How I am deciding these two are in parallel connection means now this is connected to the cell positive. It gives a charge. This charge Q is entering into the junction point. This can be divided into Q1 charge. This is a Q2 charge. This is a Q3 charge. Q3 charge. Q1 charge is Q1 is for this capacitor. Q2 is for this capacitor. Q3 is this capacitor. Again, this Q is entering at this point. This Q3 can be divided into. Again, it is one charge goes this direction, and charge is going this side. Again, this connection is different. This connection is different. So Q1 is for this capacitor. Q2 is for this capacitor. Two charges are different. Charges different for two capacitor connection in a parallel connection. Parallel connection. Again, circuit is modified like this. These are connected cells. This cell gives charge Q. This entering at this point. This can be divided into Q1 charge and Q2 charge. Q2 charge. This can be divided into charge. Q1 is same for this capacitor and this capacitor. Q2 is for this one. Q1 is same for this capacitor and for this capacitor. Q1 is same for this capacitor and this capacitor. What is the meaning of this one? Means Q1 is flows through this capacitor and this capacitor. Q1 is flowing through this capacitor and Q1 is flowing through this capacitor. Again, Q1 is entering at this point. And Q2 is flows through this capacitor and entering at this point. And Q1 is entering this junction point. Q2 is junction at this point. Two are coming out in Q and entering this point. Q1 is same for these two capacitors. This is series connect. Again, redraw this circuit. Now we will see again connect the cell positive negative. This gives Q charge. Q charge is entering at this point. The Q can be divided into Q1 charge and Q2 charge. Q2 charge. This is Q1. Q1 is for this capacitor. Q2 is for this capacitor. Q is different for both capacitor. Q is different for both capacitor. Now connection is parallel. Now your answer is that is your answer. We are going to solve this one like this problem. Okay, this is very very. Now next question. Next. Next model. This is a Wheatstone-Bridge question. Wheatstone-Bridge. This is a Wheatstone-Bridge. This is A terminal. This is a B terminal. So now here capacitor is very C capacitor. This capacitor also C capacitor. So what is CAB value. CAB value. Now let us find out CAB value is question mark. Question mark. This is A is connected to positive terminal of the battery. So B is connected to negative terminal of the battery. Negative terminal of the battery. Negative terminal of the battery. Now circuit is this. Already I explained to you. This is a positive plate. Positive plate gives positive potential. Positive potential. This is a negative plate. Negative plate gives negative potential. Negative potential. Positive potential, negative potential. Potential difference or voltage is equal to higher potential minus lower potential. Higher potential minus lower potential. This is higher potential minus lower potential. Because that is a voltage, because that is a potential difference, denote very well this basic point. This basic point. Now, here this is a I'm checking this is a potential. We call this is a same potential concept. Same potential concept. At this point, high potential, high potential, high potential, high potential. At any point, high potential. Up to this point, high potential. Up to this point is high potential. Up to this point is high potential. This also high potential. High potential. High potential. Remaining part is low potential. Low potential. So I'm removing this diagram. How can you this one removing? How can we remove this one? You see that? How can we remove this one? So now this is a value is how can you find out this answer for this question? How can you find out? This is a point. This is a B point. A point, B point. So A point. This is a B point. A point and B point. This is I'm taking high potential. This is I'm taking low potential. Low potential. At this point. At this point. At this point, A potential. A potential. At this point, this is a low potential. At this point, also low potential. So this is a one plate. This plate is connected to low potential. This plate is connected to high potential. This plate is connected to low potential. This plate is connected to high potential. High potential. High potential. This plate is connected to high potential. This plate is connected to low potential. Low potential. So this is a point. This is a B point. Now I'm checking. A means high potential. B means low potential. A means A is connected to positive terminal. Positive terminal means high potential. B means what is the meaning of B potential? B means low potential. B indicates low potential. A indicates high potential. High potential. At this point, this plate is connected to high potential. This plate is connected to low potential. This is this wire. This wire is connected to high potential. This end is connected to high potential. This one plate is connected to high potential. Another plate is connected to low potential. This plate is connected to low potential. This plate is connected to high potential. A indicates high potential. B indicates low potential. Low potential. Now we are going to calculate. How many? This is capacitor. One plate is connected to A. One plate is connected to A. Second plate is connected to lower potential. Second plate is connected to low potential. A indicates high potential. B indicates low potential. Low potential. So this wire is connected to A to A. A to A. And high potential minus high potential current is 0. This is a wire is short. We don't take. And this is capacitor. One end is connected to B. Another end is connected to A. One end is connected to A. Other end is connected to B. Okay, next this capacitor. One end is connected to A. Another end is connected to B. So one end is connected to A. Another end is connected to B. This is A is connected to positive terminal of the battery. B is connected to negative terminal of the battery. All capacitors are same. Now, so three are in parallel connection. Now, how can we decide this is the Q? Battery gives Q charge. This Q is entering to this junction point that can be divided into Q1 charge, Q2 charge, that can be divided into Q3 charge. This Q is entering to this junction point. The Q can be divided into Q1 charge, Q2 charge, Q3 charge, Q3 charge. Now, Q is different. Q1, Q2, Q3 are three are different charges. Different charges is for different capacitor. Different capacitor. Now all capacitors are connected in parallel. C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 is C value. C2 means C. C3 means C. Now this is a 3. So Cp is equal to 3C. Now so your answer is CAB value is equal to 3C. This is your answer. That is your answer. That is your answer. This is a very important model. We call same potential concept. We call this is a same potential concept. Same potential concept. Potential concept. Same potential concept. This is a very important. Same potential concept. Now, next problem. Now, one, two capacitor, third capacitor, fourth capacitor. This is A point, this is a B point given. This is given. So CAB is a question mark. This is also, this problem is related to the same potential concept. Same potential concept. Now let us find out CAB question mark. A is connected to positive terminal. So B is connected to negative terminal. So A is connected to higher potential. This is a positive charge, positive plate having positive charge gives positive potential. This is the we call high potential. Negative plate, this plate having negative charge, that charge gives negative potential. This is a low potential. So A means A is connected to high potential, B is connected to low potential. So at this point also high potential. This is A point, this is high potential. Here also high potential. I mean A. This is also, this wire also connected to high potential. This wire having up to here is high potential. Next, this wire is connected to B is connected to low potential. Here also low potential. At this point also low potential. At any point this is a low potential. You see why I am keeping here means this point, any point on this line having high potential up to here is high potential. This is a connecting wire. This connecting wire having high potential. Any point on this line also, the point on this line, that line having high potential up here. So this is a point, any point on this line having high potential up to here is high potential. This is a B is connected to low potential. Any point on this line having low potential. Here also low potential. Up to here is low potential. Now these circuits I'm going to write. A means high potential, B means low potential. High potential, low potential. You take the first capacitor. This is the first capacitor. One plate is connected to high potential. Second plate is connected to low potential. First capacitor is over. Next is second capacitor. One plate is connected to A. Second plate is connected to B. Second capacitor is over. Third capacitor. One plate is connected to A. Second plate is connected to B. A. Second plate is connected to B. This is over. So one plate is connected to A. One plate is connected to B. One plate is connected to A. Second plate is connected to B. Now this is circuit is closed. Circuit is closed. All capacitors are identical capacitors. All are in a what type of connection? This is a parallel connection. Parallel connection. So what is a parallel connection formula? C parallel is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4. C4. C1 means how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4C, your answer. That is your answer. That is your answer. Now I'm going to give the homework. No? Okay. Next problem is now. Now, this is already explained to you. This model is very important. This is connected to X. This is connected to Y. It's connected to X and Y. X and Y. This is a plate 1, plate 2, plate 3, plate 4. Plate 1 is connected to X. Plate 4 is also connected to X. Plate 2 is connected to Y. Plate 3 is connected to Y. This is a X plate. This is a X terminal, Y terminal. Y terminal. Plate 1 is connected to X. This is a plate 1 is connected to X. Plate 2 is connected to Y. This is a plate 2 is connected to Y. This capacitor is over. Now I'm at this place. At this place, 2 is connected to Y, 3 is connected to Y. So second plate is, this is second plate is connected to Y, third plate. So third plate is connected to, third plate is, second plate is connected to Y, third plate is connected to Y means that is a neutral. So this is a second plate, third plate does not form a capacitor. Now at this place, now I'm at this place. Third plate is connected to Y. This is a third plate is connected to Y. This is a fourth plate is connected to X. This is a fourth plate is connected to X. Now X is connected to positive terminal. Y is connected to negative. Two capacitors are in a what type of connection? Parallel connection. CP is equal to C1 plus C2. C1 means C, C2 means C. What is our answer? That is a CP is equal to C. CP is equal to 2C. C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. That is your answer. CP is equal to 2 epsilon naught A by D. This is your answer. CP means that is a X, Y. X, Next question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plates. 5 plates. This is connected to X. Second plate, fourth plate are connected to Y. This is a given. Now, first plate, second plate, third plate, fourth plate, fifth plate. Fifth plate. 1 is connected to X, 2 is connected to Y, 3 is connected to A, and fourth is connected to Y, fifth is connected to X. X, Y, and A. I'm checking. A takes in between X and Y. First plate is connected to X. This is a first plate is connected to X. Second plate is connected to Y. This is the second plate is connected to Y. And this capacitor is power. First is connected to X. Second is connected to Y. Next, at this place, 2 is connected to Y. 2 is connected to 2 is this is a 2 is connected to Y, and 3 is connected to A. This is A point. This is a A point. A point. 3. This is a 3 plate is connected to A. Now next I'm at this place. 3 is connected to 3 is connected to A. 3 is connected to A. 4 is connected to Y. 4 is connected to Y. This is a fourth one. This is a fourth plate is connected to Y. Now at this place, 4 is connected to Y. 4 is connected to Y. 5 is connected to X. 5 is connected to X. This is a circuit. This is a circuit. Okay. Now, so what is the answer? Now, these two capacitors are in A. These two capacitors are in A. Okay. Now, circuit is X and Y. This is X and Y. The two capacitors are in A. Okay. I'm going to draw this one neatly. This is a fifth capacitor. Fifth capacitor. Fifth capacitor. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 capacitors are connected in a parallel combination. All are connected in a parallel combination. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 capacitors are connected in a parallel combination. Parallel combination. This is a combination. All are identical capacitors. CX is equal to CXY is equal to 4, 6. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain. Okay. So today time is over. Tomorrow I will explain once again this answer. Thank you. Thank you very much.